What's the meaning of color scheme? Color scheme. Color scheme.
Color scheme. Color scheme. A color scheme refers to the combination of colors used in design or art, typically consisting of a primary color and its complementary colors. The purpose of a color scheme is to create visual harmony and convey a certain mood or message. A well-designed color scheme can evoke emotions, attract attention, and enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of a project. Choosing the right color scheme requires consideration of factors such as the audience, purpose, and context of the project, as well as the psychology of color and principles of color theory.